Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add 3 mind-blowing CapCut effects on, well, CapCut PC of course. So I'm just going to select this video first, and the first effect that you're going to add is the one on light effects. If you can't find it, it's just on Halo here. You're just going to add it either on the video or on top. You can adjust the atmosphere, which is the opacity of these light glares. I don't know what they're called. You can also adjust the speed here. Slow it down, move it to the left. To speed it up, move it to the right. Okay, that's the first effect that you can add to your videos. The second one is in the body effects section. I'm just going to type it. And I'm going to add it. It's called the streamer stroke. I'm just going to add it like here because I don't want to add it to the whole video. And here you can also adjust the atmosphere, the color of the light as well, the strength, the range, the size, like so. Alright, then we have the retro one, which is in video effects. It's under retro, but I'm just going to search it so it's faster. It's the retro DB one. And here you can kind of adjust it to your liking. Then I'm going to also add one from opening and closing, and it's called the portrait open. I'm just gonna find it here. I'm just gonna get it. Oops, I did not type that correctly. Is it not there anymore? Well, it was in the opening and closing one. You can use any of these effects. Oh, it's here. Just add it to the video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.